Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I've officially moved into my new house, and I actually found this figure while moving, so I had to save it till I unloaded everything. So now I'm here. You might hear cars in the background because I now live next to, I think, like a highway, freeway, something like that. And so I'm gonna be doing reviews either on my back porch, maybe inside where there's better lighting, but regardless, let's dive right in. So my mom actually was out shopping for buckets to help with moving and found this at Walmart. Walmart here in Canada, which is a big surprise because we don't get that many Jurassic figures here in Canada, so it was cool to finally get the Scorpius Rex. I found the last set a while ago with the smaller Scorpius, and now we have the Slash in Battle Scorpius Rex figure. Now, this one's very interesting. In my previous video, I've gotten quite a few comments saying that it doesn't have the quills on the back of the head or the thumb because it's based off of the prototype art of this animal, this dinosaur. So that's why, I guess, it doesn't have those. But that's a cool little nitpick. Like, they probably made it before the show design was even set upon, which is actually pretty neat in marketing standards. But it's kind of sad that this figure didn't come out during the release of the show. It came out pretty much quite a while after, which doesn't really help in that case. But regardless, it is a really wicked figure and represents the animal very much, besides the small imperfections. Now, this figure has multiple action features, 3 to be exact. We've got this cool tail, this huge, and you can use it to whack other dinosaurs with. It's got a rubbery end, rubbery quills, which I find amazing. This is going to be a great play feature. We've got the jaws that open and close by pressing on the back, and this is very neat. You can see the teeth are actually plastic and they're not painted on, which is good, so it won't be scuffing. You can see all the teeth inside. It's got some that stick out too. I think that's amazing how the figure has that. It's got some very eerie sound effects. And the head is actually posable, so you can chomp while posing and have it posed any way you want while chomping. That is really cool. The next action feature is the arms. When you press on the button further back, it claws, kind of like a back scratcher. And that's very much it. They just go back and forth, but that's pretty cool. Now, this figure has very long, non-posable legs and is absolutely massive compared to its counterpart from the other set. It's quite small, but I think it's around the size of Toro. We'll actually compare it once it's out of box. Oh, I do not have scissors. This is not good. I wonder if I could take it out of box without scissors. Ooh. Let's just see. Ah. Holy cow, I'm just gonna juggernaut it. Oh, the feet are not attached. That's good. That actually helps me. I do not recommend this. This hurts a lot. There we go. Brute force it was. I like the box packaging. That is really neat. It's got a little Herrerasaurus from the lineup to get pounded upon by this figure. Like, all of the scenarios just have the poor Herrerasaurus getting beat. So that's rough, but you can see there's a sound feature, there's the other action feature, there's Mattel's new slogan, there's these guys, and then there's the Camp Cretaceous and the Dinoscape logo. Okay, so that's wicked. Very cool. Finally getting the big bad beastie. Oh, and it's getting windy, because it's windy here in Alberta. Out of package. Right off the bat, you can see it's this very dark color, this black, maybe hints of blue, whereas the other Scorpius is like this kind of greeny color. But yeah, it's a lot smaller. The tail's actually a nice length. I'm enjoying that. Most Mattel figures lack that decent tail length, and this is actually pretty nice. We can get that scan code right off the bat for you guys who need it. There we go. So the sound feature has this little cover on it for the battery, and the area where the sound comes out, it's kind of hidden with this lined thing. There's some scuffs already on the figure. I don't know what that's from. It's a big rip. The jaw is a different color from the paint on the bottom, which is fine. You cannot rotate the head side to side, only like that. You can't like tilt it. It just goes up, down, left, right. It's got that bulldog appearance. So now let's compare it next to the Toro Carnotaurus figure. And it's definitely longer than Toro. So they're roughly around the same size. Toro stands a little bit bigger with the bigger head. It's propped up on the neck there, so you can see it's not straight forward, but if we tilted the I'm so tempted to call it the Indoraptor, the Scorpius head up, they're about the same height. They both have slender feet, which is interesting, and obviously there's a huge arm difference. One skips arm day, the other does not. Now, I'm enjoying the mouth features on them. This one's always closed, this one's always open, so it'd be cool if Mattel continued that theme with Carnotaurus having the mouth closed like the original. I can see if there was some albertosaurus, which is the family Carnotaurus is from, DNA in this guy, because that head definitely screams albertosaurus. Yeah, no. So that's pretty neat. That's pretty cool. But let's test out that tail feature and the slashing feature. So let's grab a small dinosaur, gallimimus. Holy cow, is gallimimus small compared to it. Okay, wait. Hold on. Let's get Kenji out of here. I gotta see how tall Kenji is next to it. Holy cow, it is monstrously large. That is crazy. Okay, wow. Probably gotta watch it again. I don't remember it being that big. I mean, obviously there's some size inconsistencies with a lot of Mattel's figures, but holy cow, that's massive. So let's test out the tail. Oh, it can go side to side, so let's put it like this, I guess. Oh, let's see if we can get it from a different angle. This is definitely a good feature for the dino damage lineup. Like, if you hit any of the dino damage figures with this tail, it's like game over. I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna try and prop this up. I'm gonna hold it with my legs. Or not. You know what? Maybe I'll just do this. There we go. Oh, Toro got in the way. That's pretty cool. Okay. And, I gotta fix the angle now. We've also got the slashing feature. So I guess you can just scratch things, which is pretty neat. So overall, this is a great release figure. Reminds me very much of the that Indoraptor with the electronic features where it had the mouth and the clapping arms. I think I have that one with me right now, where the mouth closed and the arms clapped. So this is definitely a step up in playability. You can see there's definitely more flow to it, and the jaws as well. Oh, it's actually shorter than this one, like in length, but Obviously it's going to be taller. They're about the same size. Interesting. Okay, so there we have it. It's always nice to get this size of dinosaur in the Jurassic lineup. It's more of that obscure electronic size that we don't really get. More like the like Stegosaurus sized lineup. Can't remember what those guys are called, dual attack or whatever, or mega dual attack. But yeah, no, this is a great addition to the collection. Glad to finally have it. Glad it came out in Canada of all places, but I can definitely see why. Obviously it's like the main antagonist of the new season, so of course it's gonna come, but who knows if the rest of the campers will show up here, or if we're gonna get the Stegosaurus and Carcharodontosaurus, but that's all up for future videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this review as much as I did, and if you want to see more content like this, more Jurassic reviews, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it greatly. Yeah, no, I'll see you guys in the next video then. Bye-bye.